Atmosphere. An atmosphere is the layers of gases surrounding the Earth or any other planet. Atmosphere of Earth is commonly known as air. It is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% argon, 0.1% other gases. Other gases include carbon dioxide, methane, water droplets, and neon. The atmosphere grows thinner, that is, less dense and low in pressure, as one moves upward from the Earth's surface. It gradually gives way to the vacuum of outer space. There are different layers in Earth's atmosphere. They are Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, Thermosphere, and Exosphere. Let's know about these layers. First is Troposphere. It is the lowest layer, about 10 km high. It is closest to the Earth's surface where we live. It contains most of our weather, that is, clouds, rain, and snow. Air is warmer near the ground and gets colder as we go higher. It contains about 75% of all the air in the atmosphere and almost all the water vapors which form clouds and rain. Stratosphere, as clear from the picture, is the second layer, which starts above troposphere and ends at about 50 km above the Earth's surface. Here, ozone is in abundance and forms an ozone layer. It heats the atmosphere as it absorbs the harmful UV rays from the sun, which can cause skin cancer in humans. Air is very dry here, 1,000 times thinner than it is at the sea level. That's why here jet aircrafts and weather balloons fly. Mesosphere. This region is above stratosphere. As you can see in the picture, that this layer is from 50 to 85 kilometers high above the sea level. This is the coldest part of the Earth's atmosphere and its temperature is about minus 90 degrees Celsius. It's difficult for the scientists to study this layer because weather balloons and other aircrafts can't fly high to reach here, and the satellites orbit above it. Most meteors, after entering the Earth's surface, burn up in the mesosphere. Thermosphere. It is the fourth layer of atmosphere which lies above the mesosphere. It is the region from about 85 to 500 km altitude. High energy X-rays and UV radiation are absorbed from the sun here. Its temperature depends on solar activity and can rise up to 2000 degrees Celsius, and air becomes thin here. Auroras, which are brilliant lights in the sky, can be seen here. They are also known as northern lights and southern lights. Many satellites orbit Earth within the troposphere. Transmission of radio waves also take place here. Exosphere is the highest layer of atmosphere. Its region is above about 500 km. Here, atmosphere merges into the outer space. Air is very thin here and is mainly composed of helium and hydrogen. Exosphere is about 10,000 km thick and is the thickest layer of atmosphere. Here, the temperature is lower at night and much higher during the day. A number of man-made satellites orbit in this region. Among various uses of atmosphere, some uses are: it protects us from the harmful UV rays of the sun. It gives us oxygen to breathe and water to drink. It controls temperature and allows us to stay alive. That's all for this lesson. We'll meet soon with a new lesson. Do like and subscribe. Bye.